Good morning students. Today in this video we are again going to study 12th standard statistics. Okay. Now we are going for illustration number 23, real wages. First of all, listen the question. Find the real wages for the worker class of a city from the following data about their average monthly wage and the cost of living index number. Base year, with the base year कोई भी हो, any base year given, and in this question 2001 is given as the base year. Find the purchasing power of money in the year 2015. In the examination, current year will be given. Okay. By taking base year 2001 and state the importance of this answer. Okay. Years are given, that is 2010 to 2015. I have already written it on the blackboard. 2010 to 2015. Then average monthly wages. This is the wages column, and I have written 15,000 how wages are given respectively to the years. Now, cost of living index number, and the cost of living index number is also given in the question, which I have already written. Okay. Now, for this, first of all, we will write the formula. Okay. Wait. Formula, that is real wages formula. Okay. Real wages formula. Average monthly wage upon average monthly wages upon cost of living index number. Cost of living index number. I have written it in the short form. Okay. Now, according to this formula, we will start the calculation. Okay. Now, average monthly wages. This is the average monthly wages. Now, upon cost of living index number. Upon cost of living index number. We are going to solve it according to the year which is given in the question. First of all, 2010. Let's begin with the 2010. That is 15,000 upon 192 into 100. This is missing. Okay, 15,000 into 100 equals to, if we divide it and calculate it, the answer will be 7812.5. Okay, first one. Now 2011, 15,600 divided by 203. 15,600 divided by 203 into 100. It will be 7684.73. Second one. Now the third one, 2012. That is 16,200. 16,200 upon 228 multiplied by 100. That will be 7105.26. For the year 2013, 17,000 upon 268 multiplied by 100. will be 6343.28. Now for the year 2014, 80,000 upon 270 into 100, it will be 0.67. Now the last one for the year 2015, 20,000 upon 287 into 100, 6968.64. Now you can see this is the method to solve cost of living index number will be divided to find out real wages. If you want to find out real wages, first of all, for real wages we will write the formula: average monthly wages upon cost of living index number multiplied by 100. So both the things it will be given in your questions. Okay, I have written it in the questions with their wages and cost of living index. We will simply put it in the formula and write its value. Now further, if any extra is asked in the question, let's refer the book. Find the purchasing power of money in the year 2015. Means purchasing power of the money we have to find out. Taking base year and 2001 and state the importance of this answer. Means we have to find out the purchasing power. So for purchasing power, let's see. Base year will be always given in the question. कोई भी base year हो, okay? Its base year is okay. Base year will be 100 upon, that is for the purchasing year 287. If we divide it, 100 divided by 287, it will be 0.348. That means will 0.35. 0.35. The purchasing power we have obtained. Okay, that means how many paise? 0 rupees 0 and 35. That means only 35 paise. Okay, once again I should repeat how to solve it. It's very easy. Everything will be given in the questions. Year will be given, with their wages will be given. Only we have to find out the real wages. And for that, first of all, we will write the formula of real wages. That is average monthly wages upon cost of living index number multiplied by 100. Okay. Now it is already given. You can see we have calculated it here. Real wages, and these are the following real wages. And if any extra asks purchasing power, anything else, then we will solve it. Okay. Hope you must have understood it very clearly and very well. Once again, practice it at home. Stay safe, stay at home, and many happy Rath Yatras today.